In this video, we will do the program to find 2's complement of an 8-bit number using 8086 microprocessor. So this is our 8086 microprocessor trainer kit, and we will write the program to find 2's complement of a number using this kit. So first, let's see the program. So first we have the number at address 2000 is 0f. So we want to find the 2's complement of this number. So obviously the 2's complement of this number will be f1. The 2's complement of this number will be f1, and 1's complement will be f0, and 2's complement will be f1. So we will write the program to find the 2's complement of this number. So first we will load b 2000 in register bx. So now bx contains 2000, and then we will copy the content of bx's address to al. So the contents of bx's address, that is 04, are now copied to al. So now al contains 0f. al contains 0f. Now we find the complement of al. So neg al, this is the instruction to find the complement of al. Okay, then we do increment of bx by 1. So we have incremented bx by 1. We want to store the result, so we will copy the content of al to bx's address. So bx was incremented to 2001. So now the contents of al are copied to bx's address. And finally halt or hlt. So now we will write the program on the kit. So first let me switch on the kit, and I have also made video on addition of two numbers of two 8-bit numbers and multiplication of two 8-bit numbers on using this same 8086 microprocessor. So you can watch those videos as well. I will give the link in the description box. So first press the reset button when we switch on the 8086 microprocessor kit. Now press enter key. So now we will go into the assembly mode. So press button A or press key A and enter the starting address. So starting address is 0400. So now we will enter the program. So MOV BX comma 2000 is the first instruction. Then second instruction is MOV AL comma BX. The next instruction is NEG AL, then INC BX, then MOV BX comma AL, and finally HLT. Okay, so we have written the program. So press the reset key. So press the enter key. So now we have to execute the program. So press G and press enter. So G key is used to execute the program. So now again press reset key. Now we will see the result. So press D and go to address 2000. So let me enter 0F, and this we can change. Okay, so at 2000 0F, I have entered 0F at location 2000. Now at this location 2001, at presently FF is stored. So when we execute the program, then this should change to F1. Okay, so we will press the reset key. Now we will execute the program. So G and enter. So our program is executed. Now we will again go to the location to see whether our result is coming or not. So press D 2000. So as you can see, 0F was my input data, and now its complement is F1, or its 2's complement is F1. So this program is working correctly. The complement of 0F is F1. Okay. So in this way we can find the 2's complement of a number using 8086 assembly language. See, this is 8086 microprocessor. I have also make videos on 8085 microprocessor. So if you want to see the videos on 8085 microprocessor, then I will give you the link, playlist link. Okay. This video is on 8086 microprocessor, so don't get confused between 8086 and 8085. This is 8086. You can see here it is 8086 microprocessor trainer kit. Thank you and best of luck.